students, today let us learn about germination of seed. Yes, what is seed? Seed is a embryonic baby plant. Then what is germination of seed? Germination is a process in which a seed grows into a baby plant or a sibling is known as germination. Yes, how the seed is grown? Yes, the seed is present in the seed coat that emerges out from the seed coat and grow into a new plant, isn't it? Yes, the plant produce many seeds. Have you seen it? The plant produce many seeds. Do all seeds grow into a new plant? No. Some seeds are destroyed by the nature and some seeds are grown. Yes, isn't it? These seeds are destroyed. Some seeds are destroyed by the nature. How they are destroyed by the nature? Let us see. Yes, some seeds are destroyed by the nature. What are these? Yeah, let us see how the seeds are destroyed. First one is harsh weather. The seeds are destroyed by the harsh weather. You can see there is a heavy rainfall or strong wind that enables to grow the seed. That's unable to grow the seed into a new plant because of the harsh weather. Because of the strong wind, it cannot develop, it cannot grow. Yes, this is the one thing. Next, birds and animals. Birds and animals. Yes, birds and animals are eaten off. Yes, because we know that plants gives the food. All the human beings, all the animals, birds are dependent on plants for food, isn't it? They get food from the plant. So the birds, some birds and animals are eaten off so that the seed cannot grow into a new plant. Diseases. Diseases known as bacteria, fungus and virus disease. This disease spreads and they are unable to grow. The seeds are unable to grow because of these diseases. Yes, air, water and warmth. These three things, if the seed does not get suitable amount of water, air and suitable temperature, it cannot grow into a new plant. The seed needs water to grow. The seed needs air to breathe. Yes, it needs a suitable temperature so that it helps the seed to grow into a new plant. These are the things that destroys the seed. Yes, how the seed grows then? Some seeds are destroyed by the nature, by harsh weather, birds, animal, by unsuitable of air, water. Yes, isn't it? How these some seeds are grown up? How the seeds are grown up? What are the conditions required for the seed? Let us see the requirement. What are the requirement the seed needs? It's what are the conditions? What are the conditions? First is water. Water is very important. Yes, in a daily life we need water. Even seed also need water. Yes, seed needs water to germinate. The when the water is absorbed by the seed coat becomes soft and it takes to the embryo. This activates the embryo to absorb food from the seed leaves. What is the seed leaves then? Seed leaves is nothing but a cotyledons. Have you seen cotyledons? Yes, it is present inside the seed coat, isn't it? This is a seed. This is a seed coat. Inside there is a cotyledon, there is an embryo present in the seed coat. When the seed coat becomes soft, it takes to the embryo. It takes to the embryo the water. Thus, this activates the embryo to absorb the food from the seed leaves so that it get good nourishment to develop, to grow into a new plant. Air. Yes, seed needs air. Yes, air gives us oxygen to breathe in. The seed needs oxygen to breathe in so that it obtains energy for the development, for the growth of a new plant. Warmth. Yes, warmth is nothing but the sunlight provides, okay, the temperature. Yes, if the seed gets a suitable amount of temperature, it starts to grow into a new plant. If the temperature is very high or very low, what will happen? The seed does not germinate. Yes, the seed does not germinate if it not get the suitable temperature. If the temperature is too high or too low, it does not grow, it does not germinate. Yes, these are the conditions. We can see these are the conditions which seed requires. Seed requires water, air and warmth to grow into a new plant, isn't it? Let us see the stage in the germination of seed. Okay, let us see the seed first. When the seed, this is a seed, isn't it? This is a seed. When we sown the seed in the soil, yes, isn't it? This seed needs water, air and a suitable temperature. This seed needs water, air and temperature so that it develops, it grows. Yes, we can see there is a different stages in the seed. Let us see them. Yes, next stage there is a seed coat. This is a seed coat. This, we can see here the seed coat get ruptured and the embryo from the inside it emerges out of a seed, isn't it? Yeah, let us see the next stage. This is a radicle. After the seed coat is ruptured, there is a baby plant emerges out of a seed. First it comes out radicle. Radicle is a part of an embryo. It's come out. It goes deeply into the soil. It goes deeply into the soil. This radicle is in downwards direction. Go deeply into the soil. Absorb the nutrients from the soil. Isn't it? Yeah. You can see here. This is a radicle. This is a plumule. Yes. This is a part of an embryo that emerges out of a seed. Yes. You are observing this. This is a seed that emerges out. The embryo emerges out into a, you can see a radicle, and plumule is going upward direction and this radicle is going in downward direction into the soil to form a root. We can see this. Okay, this is a complete you can see this radicle is grown as a root system. This plumule is grown as a shoot system. After the development, this shoot system develops into a different part. They grown up in size. Yes, it grows their size to develop into a different parts. The plant have a different parts, isn't it? What are the different parts? Leaf, stem, flower, buds, etc. Isn't it? This starts to grow into a new plant. This is a small brief explanation and a rough diagram to explain the stages in the germination of seed. This is a rough diagram. If you like this explanation, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.